Okay, year 8. So yesterday we found out how to find a percentage of. Today we're going to find how to get a discount, which is like having a percentage off something. So what is a discount? Hopefully we all know it's when we go into a shop and we really want to buy something and it says, well, that's 20% off. You can have that as a discount. Where do you see it? Usually in areas like that, when you want to buy something and there's some money off something. So here's the first example. Find the sale price of a pair of shoes marked at $82 if 10% discount is given. Can you please write the heading and that first question? I'll get you to do one question and then there's going to be one formula. Okay, so the first thing we write is working out the discount. So we want to get 10%. So the discount, or working that out, was the same as what we did yesterday. So 10% means 10 divided by 100. And we want 10% of 82. Now, I'm just going to save myself some room and make that a times straight away. So the easiest thing to cancel, hopefully you can see, is the zeros. I'm going to get rid of them. This is just a 1. Now we've got 82 and 10. Why don't we just halve them? So a half of 10 is 5. And a half of 82 is 41. All right, so 5 doesn't go into 41. So we're going to have to just jump from there. So we're going to go 1 times 41 is 41. And 5 times 1 is 5. Now remember yesterday I said you can put that into your calculator at this stage. I'm going to put a dollar sign straight away so that you know this is about dollars. So you can put it in straight away. Okay, so 5 into 40 goes 8. And there's going to be 1/5. I'm using your brain. If you've used my brain, not yours. If you've used a calculator, hopefully $8.20 is correct. So this means the thing you want to buy is $82, but you're going to get $8.20 off. Now this is the next thing you need to write. Please, in red pen, sale price equals marked price, subtract the discount. So the marked price was $82. And the sale, so the discount, was $8.20. Marked price minus discount, 82 minus 8.20. And it's early in the morning, so I'm not going to use my brain. And we should get that now. If you have $73.80, that's how much you will pay for this item. So let's have a look at another one. A shop has a sale day of 15% off everything. How much will the discount be? So first step of a camera, which is normally $420. So what's our discount? Our discount's 15% of $420. All right, so we're going to put this as a fraction, which is 15 over 100. Of means times, and the amount is 420. Okay, so we're going to go zeros. They're the easiest one. 0 and 0. Okay, I'm going to do the 15 and the 10 now. You could do halving these, doesn't matter. You should come out with the same answer. So I'm going to go 5 goes into both of those. So 5 goes into 10 twice, goes into 15 3 times. Make sure you can still see your numbers. Okay, we can't do any more with those, but hang on. We've got a 2 and a 42. Half of 2 is 1, and a half of 42 is 21. So on the top, we're going to have 3 times 21. I'll just write that out so it's nice and clear. And on the bottom, we've got 1 times 1. So this is going to be 63 divided by 1. So the discount today, you should write it underneath, I've run out of room, is going to be $63. And I think you know what the next question will be. What is the sale price of the camera? So sale price, remember, is marked price. So it was, what was it? $420. But you're going to save $63 today. So if you do 420 minus 63 on your calculator like I am, the camera on that day is going to be $357. So be careful with the fact that it might say what's the discount, which is $63, or it might say how much will it cost. It might go straight to how much will it cost, which is this one. Okay. Now you must write this part in red writing with a big circle around it or whatever you like. This is really important. Percentage discount. So now we've worked out what the actual discount is. We want to work out, going backwards, what that was as a percentage. This is a very important piece of information. So please copy that down. All right. So let's have a try. The price of a marked bike is reduced from $260 to $200. So the ones before, they were saying what's the percent, if it's 20%, how much is the discount. This is different. You go into a shop and it says $260. It's got a big sign through it saying, but today it's only $200. We want to work out what the percentage discount is this time. So it's a different type of question. So the first thing we do is we work out what the discount is. Now, if you're unsure, think about yourself. You walk into a shop, you see a bike for $260, it's got a cross through it, and it says it's $200. How much have you saved? So it was $260. You're only going to have to pay $200. So how much money do you not have to pay? What is the discount? So hopefully you can see that it's $60. So it's how much it was minus how much it is now, and that'll give you $60. We're going to now use this formula. Don't be frightened of this formula. Let's just do step by step. Cash discount. That's what you just worked out, $60. You divide that by the original price. So that's not $200. What was the bike worth? The bike was worth $260. So it's the discount over original price, and you're going to multiply that, as the formula says up here, by 101%, because remember, you're trying to find a percentage this time. All right, so we're going to go, zeros are gone. I'm going to halve this one, then I'm going to go, 13's a prime number, so nothing's going to happen there. It's going to be 300 divided by 13. So now you're up to putting that into your calculator. So if you do that quicker than me, hopefully you get 23.0. Now be careful, this is a dollar sign. No, it's not. It's not. What is it? It's a percentage. Now my calculator says 0.76. So if we had two decimal places, 0.76 would go to 0.8. So 23.076. We want two decimal places. You look at the next number, so that makes the 7 go up to 8. You want percentage discount, so your answer says put a percent sign in. Okay, so I've got 2 questions for you to try, so please press pause and come back once you've had a go to see how you went. Okay, so this was a bit tricky. Question 1 was easy. And that might have mucked you up because, look, it mucked me up. The discount is already $10, so you don't have to work out what the discount is. It just tells you. So then it's 10 over 100 times 100 over 1. And then the number 2, you should have got 40%. That's the same as the ones I did up the top. If you're not sure of those, please stop and ask your teacher. And this means we're up to 6.4. So if you could please do these questions, that would be terrific. Making sure you show some working out.